walking around the backyard. Oh wow, yeah. It's bright as shit. Alright, let's unbox this sucker, see what we got. Mounting hardware. The unit itself. Solar panel. And an empty box. Alright, so this is the solar panel. This is the mount behind it. It articulates, but there's really not enough room to get a screwdriver in between the edge of the panel and the hole. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off, this part off here, by removing these back two screws and just popping it off. And then when we go to install it, we'll just pop it back on. Really easy. Alright, so it's the next day. It's the afternoon time. The solar panel is getting light. Pretty much direct sunlight now. So let's crawl up there and test it out. I'll grab my multimeter and see how much juice we got. Alright, 7.56. Alright folks, some final thoughts on installing this Utilitech Solar Panel Security Light. I wasn't able to show clearly before, but if you're wondering about the instructions, here they are. They're real simple. Everything is laid out into 8 steps. If you're wondering how to set up the unit itself, once it's installed, this is a really good picture. Shows you and describes how to set up the timer, the test mode. The unit mode is that button in the middle. It's got 3 settings: test, automatic, and off. So to get this thing to work, you got to press it twice to get to the auto mode. And then the sensitivity, which is on the end here, for the motion detector. I was able to set it up quite easily, and it works. I was able to test it. Only took a couple videos of that, which you've already seen, and it triggers right on time, right when there's motion coming around the corner from the back, and also through the gate coming from the street side. 3 or 4 steps into the gate, and that thing was on and shining right on me. Okay, if you're going into block wall or masonry, you need a 1/4 inch masonry drill bit. It's not included, so you'll need to get one of those if that's your installation. So if you're wondering about the charging of the battery, I was able to read 7.5 volts with my multimeter coming out of the panel, and the battery inside the unit is a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. Okay folks, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, help us out by giving us a thumbs up and possibly subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.